Wire tracers are essential tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need to locate wires, cables, and circuits quickly and efficiently. Whether you're troubleshooting electrical problems or installing new wiring, a good wire tracer can save you a lot of time and frustration. In this guide, we'll take a look at the top 5 best wire tracers you can find on Aliexpress, a reliable online marketplace known for its wide range of affordable electronic tools and gadgets. Number 1. KKMoon Wire Tracker RJ11 RJ45 Telephone Cable Network Tester. The KKMoon Wire Tracker is a versatile tool designed for network, telephone, and coaxial cable testing. This device comes with a main tester and a receiver that work together to trace wires or cables through walls, under floors, or ceilings. What makes this wire tracker stand out is its ability to test both RJ11 and RJ45 cables, making it a great option for network and telephone troubleshooting. It also includes a built-in tone generator, which can help locate wires more easily. This wire tracer is compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around in a toolbox or pocket. The large LCD display on the main unit shows clear information about the status of the wire or cable being tested, and the durable build ensures long-term use. Key features: works with RJ11, RJ45, and coaxial cables. Includes a tone generator for easier wire tracing. Compact and portable design. Clear LCD display for easy reading. Comes with a receiver for efficient wire location. Number 2. B-Side Wire Tracer MS6818. The B-Side MS6818 is a high-end wire tracer designed for professionals who need to detect cables in various environments. This wire tracer can be used to track electrical cables, communication lines, and metal pipes hidden behind walls, floors, and ceilings. It features an ergonomic design and a high-precision sensor that allows for quick and accurate wire location. One of the key highlights of the B-Side MS6818 is its adjustable sensitivity. This means you can fine-tune the device to find wires in densely packed areas or pinpoint specific lines in less congested environments. It also has a durable and shock-resistant construction, ensuring it holds up well in industrial or rough conditions. Key features: adjustable sensitivity for precision tracing. Detects electrical cables, communication lines, and metal pipes. High-precision sensor for accurate detection. Durable, shock-resistant design. Ergonomic design for comfortable use. Number 3. All-Sun EM for 15 Pro Automotive Wire Tracer. For automotive enthusiasts or professionals, the All-Sun EM for 15 Pro Wire Tracer is a specialized tool designed to trace and diagnose electrical wiring in cars, trucks, and other vehicles. This wire tracer can help locate short circuits, open circuits, and broken wires with ease. It works by transmitting a signal through the wire, which the receiver picks up, making it easy to follow the wire's path even through tight spaces in the vehicle. The All-Sun EM for 15 Pro is particularly useful for diagnosing electrical issues in hard-to-reach areas like engine bays or behind dashboards. It is designed to work with both 12V and 24V vehicle electrical systems, making it suitable for use with a wide range of vehicles, from passenger cars to commercial trucks. Key features: designed for automotive electrical troubleshooting. Locates short circuits, open circuits, and broken wires. Works with 12V and 24V electrical systems. Comes with a tone generator for easier wire tracing. Compact and easy to use in tight spaces. Number 4. Neuafa National Forest 826 Underground Cable Wire Locator. The Neuafa NF826 is a robust and reliable underground cable wire locator that's perfect for outdoor use. If you need to trace cables buried underground or behind walls, this wire tracer is an excellent option. It can trace both live and dead cables, making it suitable for a variety of applications, including garden lighting, buried electric fences, and more. The device also features an LED screen that provides real-time feedback on signal strength, helping you pinpoint the exact location of the wire. Another standout feature of the Neuafa NF826 is its impressive range. It can detect wires as deep as 2 meters underground, making it ideal for landscaping or large outdoor projects. Its weather-resistant design also ensures that it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Key features: designed for outdoor use, including underground cable detection. Can trace both live and dead cables. LED screen displays real-time feedback on signal strength. Detects cables up to 2 meters underground. Weather-resistant design for durability in harsh conditions. Number 5 Sendway SWCL100 Cable Locator. The Sendway SWCL100 is a professional-grade wire tracer designed to locate electrical and communication cables, even in challenging environments. This tool is equipped with both a transmitter and a receiver, which work together to track cables through walls, floors, and even underground. The adjustable sensitivity feature allows you to fine-tune the device for accurate results, no matter the environment. This wire tracer is known for its versatility, as it can be used on a wide range of cables, including electrical wires, telephone lines, and even water pipes. The ergonomic design and user-friendly interface make it easy to operate, while the built-in LED light ensures you can work in dimly lit areas without any hassle. Key features: suitable for electrical, communication, and water pipe tracing. Adjustable sensitivity for accurate detection. Ergonomic design for ease of use. Includes a built-in LED light for working in dark areas. Works on both live and dead cables. Conclusion: these top 5 wire tracers from Aliexpress offer a mix of affordability, reliability, and professional-grade performance. Whether you're working on a home improvement project or tackling a large industrial job, these tools will help you locate wires and cables with ease, saving you time and effort. Make sure to pick the right one that suits your specific needs and requirements.